Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Coleman cot for camping. I got this item recently for an upcoming outing we were going to have. So let's get it opened up and let me show you what it looks like. This camping cot has a robust steel frame that is able to support up to 300 pounds. It is also designed to accommodate up to 6 feet and 6 inches in height, making it convenient to have on hand for all the family members whenever we want to go out and have fun outdoors. It also comes with a mattress pad that is ready to use and convenient as well. I also love how easy it is to fold this up and be able to fit it in the car trunk for easy transportation whenever we want to go outdoors. The elevated design also gives us superior support and comfort to be able to enjoy outdoor trips while also being comfortable at the same time without having to worry about dealing with the hard ground when we're out camping. If you are in the market for a comfortable, portable camping cot, whether for glamping, camping, beach trips, backyard lounging, sporting events, festivals, or even tailgating, this is definitely worth looking into.